Alright, this is the elevator here at Cabela's in Hamburg, Pennsylvania.
It's Hamburg.
I know, I pronounce it the German way.
Okay.
There's your elevator sign.
This is also the only Pennsylvania Cabela's.
Yeah, not counting the Bass Pro Shops out in Harrisburg. If you look over here, you'll see the two-way radios,
Careful, Dante.
where there's no cell phones.
Okay, stand back. There might be people. Oh, no one's in here.
Oh, it's empty. Good.
Two. It's also my first Schindler MT with 2-speed doors.
Alright, let's listen.
Phone. Stand back.
Oh crap, there's people out there.
One.
And one arm.
I can continue, but just keep your thing down.
Yep. Come on in.
Going down?
Yes.
Yep.
ADA compliant phone.
Stay off on this side, Dante.
There's your Schindler sign.
Dante.
Look at this. Epic fail.
What?
It's working.
No, Dante, don't go in. I think there's really something that's wrong with the end. I don't understand how it's out of order, but I think we should just leave this one alone.
Yeah, so EPIC fail.